Have Chef Will Travel quick cuts. Today we're going to do onion prep, medium dice. Again, good for soups, chilies, that kind of thing. So we're going to take our onion here and start off by carefully cutting off the end. That's not the root, that's the stem side of the onion. And then cutting it right down in half through the root. And this step just makes it easy to peel, like so. Now don't throw away your peels, don't throw away the stem section that we cut away. You can just stick those in a bag and add them to other vegetable quote unquote waste and boil those and then strain it back out and you've got a good vegetable stock. So now we're going to curl our knuckles. Make sure you curl your knuckles. And we're going to make some incisions here, about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch wide. This is a medium cut. Notice we're not going all the way through, and that'll help you hold on to all this because onions get a little unruly. They slide around, they move, they don't want to get cut. I can't blame them. And then we're going to make a couple of lengthwise incisions like so. Again, being careful, A, not to cut ourselves, and B, not to cut all the way through the onion. Because again, I want to be able to hold on to it. And then right down the line here, 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch, just a nice medium dice. And you see how all my onions are pretty much the exact same size, and that's going to help cook them evenly so you don't have those big chunks of raw onion. And that's it. That's how easy it is to prep an onion. So go ahead and push those buttons, and we'll talk to you later.